Hey everybody, my name is Chris. Welcome to Casual Fragrances. Today's video is a special video because I'm doing a giveaway in this video. So, I've been buying a few fragrances here and there, samples and decants from Elite Fragrances. I'll leave their link down below in the description. His name is John. He's in the Facebook community group. He buys fragrances, and some of them he decants, you know, just in case people want to try these fragrances out because he buys a big bottle. So, anyway, I bought a few fragrances from them. I really enjoy them. And he was nice enough. We talked earlier today. And he was like, hey, how about we do a giveaway on your channel? I'm like, okay, sounds cool. What do we got to do? He's like, you pick out the fragrances. So I said, cool. I said, I'm going to do it for my subscribers because I'm very blessed and fortunate that people watch my fragrance videos in general. I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there that are amazing. I follow a lot of them myself. I'm trying to get to that point in life. But this giveaway is cool for people that can't afford fragrances and want to try fragrances out. So to be entered in this contest, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and take it one step further, click the bell icon so you get notified. So the two fragrances that I picked out, he has a lot of fragrances on his website. I'll leave a link down below. I picked out two new releases that came out this year. The first one that came out, they come in packages like this, which is really nice. And the first one is Matt Serra Instant Crush. So this one here is a 2019 release, and it's about $180, but in this giveaway we're going to give away a 3ml bottle or 3ml decant to one lucky subscriber on my channel, because John was pretty nice enough to do this. I said, yeah, we can do this. He said, sure. He's like, help your subscribers out? Definitely. And then check out his Elite Fragrances website. I'll leave down below. And then the next fragrance we're going to give out is called a new fragrance, which I love a lot, and it hasn't come out in the States yet. It's no other than Kilian. The new Kilian, Rolling in Love, 2019 release. So, there's two fragrances, the little 3ml decants, each one of them, to two lucky subscribers. Excuse me, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to notify when I update giveaway videos, and leave a comment down below which one you would like to win. Would you like to win Instant Crush by Matt Serra 2019, or would you like to win Kilian Rolling in Love? Please leave a comment down below. The giveaway is today up until Saturday, September 14th. I'll be announcing the winner live. Thanks everybody for watching this video. Until my next video, bye.